Just before finishing, I added few light spot as shown previous video in other places. To adding light spot for car also it is working same. So I select one of these lights. I think these two lights, yes. Hold on the Alt or Option key and clone it. If you need stronger, press Ctrl or Command J and grab all these 4 layers. Imagine car lights will affect here. Press Ctrl or Command T. I make it a bit larger. Hold on the Shift Control and Alt or Shift Command Option and make distorted and something like that, affecting like car on the ground. You see, it is nice. Maybe here and here. Okay, I think the positions is not correct. They should be somewhere like that. Maybe less opacity. And still you could make some volumetric light like as I shown here, but I think it is not necessary. Just I create a new layer, some high saturated red light, brush, click, and maybe a bit here, and the fiction here, also on the ground. And change the blending mode on overlay. I could duplicate it, Control or Command M, light intensity. You could use same technique as I used for creating volumetric light here to make some lighting effect on any surfaces like here. I think they need to be readjusted a bit.